Come on along.
That might be explosive.
You're gonna get it in the face?
Maybe. No.
Oh, nice. Yeah, there's pressure in there, huh? Sound like a sick dog. Oh, nice. Think there's any pressure in there? Hey! What's that song, the Clampets? Shooting at the ground and bubbling crude. Oil, that is. Black gold. Texas Steve. First thing you know, Kyle's a millionaire. Go get a diaper. We got diapers for that. Especially for that 80-90 stuff. So what's your prognosis so far? Junk. Okay.
Oh, there goes my knife under the
You're like the tampon king. They actually do soak up a lot, don't they? All right. I gotta go see what you're up to now. You're pulling an engine? Oh, excuse me. Troy, why are you pulling an engine?
What?
Why are you pulling that engine out? Inquiring minds want to know. Because there's a shaft in there that doesn't work.
A what?
Wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round.
And they tick something?
And then they tick. And so Troy, advanced engineer Troy, pulled the oil pan off. And what do you call that? The idler between the balancing shaft and the
Oil pump.
oil pump? The bushing is out. So he's gonna pull a motor out, and then he's gonna do a short block type rebuild, basic.
Because there's no compression.
Because there's no compression either, because you can turn it over by hand. It's old. It's been 10 years or so, he said, since it's been remanned. Man, this thing's going on 40 years old at least. Almost as old as me.
These ones are in the 70s.
Yeah, well, 70s. I was born in 69 and I'm 52 in about 3-4 days. Yeah, I'm old. Okay. Alright, that's enough for this little jaunt. Troy, you're on camera. Show me why you got this engine out again. Please. Oh, you think that bushing is out, huh?
You can see it forward back.
So we're gonna just reman the whole engine? Maybe? Might as well, huh? Got it this far out, right?
There's a little bit of compression.
Not much. Well, remind me, don't want to look at, yeah, when you get her apart, you're dripping fuel on that side. Pumping, pumping fuel out of the fuel pump. That's a heck of an engine stand you built. Okay, I'm gonna go push some dirt around.
Elaborate. You are.
Yeah,
So you're gonna be fun.
it's gonna be fun if I can get that dozer to drive straight. Right?
Whatever.
Are we gonna, hey, that omelet's gonna be here today?
What?
Is there an omelet gonna be here today?
I don't think so.
Supposedly he said somebody's gonna come change oil on that, one of his omelets. While you work on the harvester head? Didn't he call you and tell you that?
Yeah.
Plus I think you gotta bring that part.
Oh, they said if they were gonna drop something, either that guy or they were gonna put it in the shed over there.
Oh. Well, I didn't know if I heard anybody last night. I was outside for a while, but Alright. Are those your counterweights for that thing or what?
Yeah, a little bit. That's your target,
Yeah. They need to go in the scrap heap too. We need to have a scrap heap shop clean day, scrap heap.
What are you doing with that thing?
What? Why are you turning this so far?
You gotta get it at the top.
Oh, TDC? Is that what you're trying to do? TDC?
Yeah, kinda.
What does that mean? Too dumb I mean, we'll see you later. I'm going to the woods.